Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to give you a website, or I'm going to tell you a website where you can find one of the best notes for the programmers and the coders. So, what you have to do is you have to go to your favorite browser and you have to type Goal Kicker Books, right? And you have to click on the first link and you're here on this website, that is Goal Kicker website, where you can find some of the best notes, that is notes for the professionals. In it you are going to have the perfect notes for whichever framework you want. So here let us download the one for C++. So all you have to do is you have to click on it, and then you have to click on download PDF, and you can clearly see that there's a total of 146 chapters in it, so it's pretty cool. And if you like this, then you can buy a copy to the Goal Kicker website. You have to click on download PDF and your PDF will begin to download. And yes, that's all. And if you want to order a coffee, then you have to click on this. That's pretty cool for the founders of this website. Yeah. Let me tell you one more important thing, that is, you can there's a total of 48 notes, so that's pretty cool. You can buy any as much as coffee as you want. So one, two, and you have to click on support. And I have previously downloaded some of the books. So here is Python Notes for Professionals. You can see that there's a lot of chapters. Okay, so there's a total of uh let's go to the end. Yeah. So there's a total of 200 chapters, and the best thing about it is that you just have to click and you'll reach that point. So yes, that's pretty cool. And yeah, so you can see that everything is pretty clear, and the font size and the color and the display is so beautiful. So that was all this one's for the Python, and this one's for Git. So yes, you can go to the Goal Kicker website and you can download whatever you want. So yes, that was all, and thank you so much for watching the video, and all the best. Happy learning.